Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best CPU cooler you can buy Amazon. A good CPU cooler is a must-have for any PC. It is the most important component of your PC that keeps it cool and prevents your CPU from burning out. A good CPU cooler will keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently, which can reduce the risk of it shutting down or crashing. A CPU cooler is an essential part of a computer system. Its main function is to transfer heat from the CPU to the air outside the computer case. The most popular types of CPU coolers are air coolers and liquid coolers. Air coolers have a heatsink that draws heat away from the CPU and transfers it by means of convection or conduction to a metal plate, which in turn dissipates it into the atmosphere. Liquid coolers, on the other hand, rely on liquid to air or water to liquid contact with the heatsink to dissipate heat. In both cases, fans are used to increase airflow over these components. A good CPU cooler is the one that can keep your CPU from overheating. If your CPU overheats, it will stop working and you will have to buy a new one. Here are some tips on how to choose a good CPU cooler. First of all, you should make sure that the fan blades are made of metal. The metal is better at dissipating heat than plastic or rubber. The second thing you should look at is the size of the fan. A bigger fan blade can move more air and cool down your CPU faster than a smaller one. Thirdly, you need to check for compatibility with your motherboard's socket type because not all coolers are compatible with all sockets on different motherboards. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Cooler Master. Cooler Master has been a leading brand in the PC industry for many years, and with the release of their new Hyper 212 Black Edition RGB CPU air cooler, they are showing that they still have what it takes to be on top. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition RGB CPU air cooler is CPU air cooling reinvented. An aggressively finned cooler with a high-efficiency heatsink, it dissipates heat a whopping 20% faster than its predecessor. Enhanced RGB support lets you synchronize your PC to the beat of the game for a totally immersive gaming experience. For liquid or air cooling, this is one of the best CPU coolers out there. RGB CPU air cooler, SF120R RGB fan, anodized gunmetal black, brushed nickel fins, 4 copper direct contact heat pipes for AMD Ryzen Intel LGA1151. With compatibility for both AMD and Intel. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current one, this cooler is the perfect choice. Not only does it come with 4 copper direct contact heat pipes, but also features an RGB LED fan for an eye-catching look. With 4 copper direct contact heat pipes, high cooling capacity, and great airflow and pressure. No other cooler on the market offers this kind of combination of performance, features and RGB lighting without a hefty price tag. Number 4. Cooler Master Master Liquid. If you're looking for the best CPU cooler on the market, you've found it. To keep your CPU up and running without overheating, we have the solution: the Cooler Master Master Liquid RGB V2, Close Loop AIO CPU Liquid Cooler, 240 radiator, dual cycle flow 120mm, RGB lighting, 3rd gen dual chamber pump for AMD Ryzen Intel. Now with improved performance and a new pump designed for AMD Ryzen Intel. Go beyond cooling and customize your build with the all-in-one RGB liquid cooler. It's perfect for a long gaming session and can cool down to -5 degrees centigrade, keeping your build running smoothly. We at Cooler Master are proud to announce our latest liquid cooling kit with a 240mm radiator. This is a high-quality, low-noise CPU cooling unit. With software controls and RGB lighting, you'll never have to worry about your CPU again with this bad boy. Bringing you a 5-year warranty and enough headroom for overclocking, this 240mm radiator-based CPU cooler is perfect for your high-performance PC build. The dual-chamber pump will also help to improve thermal performance for AMD and Intel CPUs. Number 3. NZXT. We're bringing style back to the tower. NZXT's new Kraken X53 240mm AIO CPU liquid cooler is a testament to the idea that coolers don't have to be loud or ugly. With a rotating infinity mirror design and improved pump powered by CAM V4, it's an RGB connector inside and out. Combined with AirP 120mm radiator fans and RGB lighting, it's just what you need for your build. Its mirror finish and aluminum base will seamlessly fit in any setup, and with CAM, you'll be able to customize your color to match your theme and preferences. With a deep clear reservoir, you'll never have to worry about refilling it again, and with improved pump and radiator fans, you can create custom lighting with hundreds of unique presets and effects. And with a new rotating infinity mirror design and AirP 120mm radiator fans, it delivers the most vivid PC gaming experience. Liquid cooling kit is the perfect solution for gamers and enthusiasts looking for a closed-loop cooler that offers lighting features, quiet operation, and a 240mm radiator. 10% bigger infinity mirror cap allows for more vivid RGB, and a rotating cap accommodates reorienting the logo no matter the direction the cooler is installed. NZXT is the next generation of PC cooling. Number 2. Corsair. For years, Corsair has been the top choice for PC builders. From power supplies to cases, RAM to SSDs, gaming keyboards to gaming chairs, Corsair's got the quality and standards that PC enthusiasts demand. The Corsair Elite Capillax liquid CPU cooler has been designed to deliver extreme cooling performance for the most demanding and power-hungry PC gaming systems. The dual-fan setup featuring a custom-designed cold plate and Hydro Series bearing pump enables efficient heat dissipation, while the customizable multi-color RGB lighting system provides a customizable lighting scheme to match your rig. An optimal cold plate design and a high-density stack of 128 micro-skived fins per inch provides highly efficient cooling at all loads. Each Elite Capillax CPU cooler includes 2 separate pump caps. The pre-installed pump cap is a stylish, glossy black, while the alternate is more transparent to let your Capillax LEDs shine through. Corsair RGB series PWM fans deliver powerful airflow for extreme CPU cooling performance with 8 RGB LEDs per fan. Includes a Corsair IQ Commander Core Smart RGB lighting and fan speed controller for precise speed and lighting control over up to 6 RGB fans. Number 1. Corsair IQ. Corsair IQ is an ecosystem of software and hardware components that work together to simplify the process of managing and customizing your rig. Now with Corsair's liquid CPU cooler, 33 dynamic RGB LEDs, 140mm fans, 420mm radiator, you can enjoy your favorite PC games without the distraction of excess noise. This self-contained liquid cooling system is designed to reduce temperatures, enhance performance, and give your system a sleek, clean look. With Corsair's award-winning IQ software compatibility, a high-performance RGB pump head provides powerful, low-noise cooling for your CPU, lit by 33 ultra-bright Capillax RGB LEDs. Includes a Corsair IQ Commander Core Smart RGB lighting and fan speed controller for precise speed and lighting control for up to 6 RGB PWM fans. 3 140mm Corsair RGB magnetic levitation PWM fans deliver immense airflow to cool the most powerful systems with the latest high-performance components, with 8 RGB LEDs per fan. It provides up to 50% quieter operation with a 140mm top exhaust fan and a 420mm radiator for superior cooling performance. 0 RPM cooling profiles in Corsair IQ software allow fans to stop entirely at low temperatures, eliminating fan noise.